If you are live game streaming or doing TikTok videos, Facebook, YouTube, any of those kind of videos, or even conference calls, and you want to look better when you are on those calls and all those things, you need to get this ring light because this has 200 LED bulbs that will brighten up your face, help you be able to just look better. And the bulbs are so good that they'll reduce the fatigue of looking at the light for that long, so you don't have to worry about that. There are 3 different kinds of lights. There are warm, natural, and white, and there's 10 brightnesses on each of those, so that really gives you the flexibility of what you want to have on your eyes and how you want to look. So this one is really nice because it doesn't take up too much space. It clamps onto your desk, so you're able to save space and be able just to have it on your desk, off your floor, off your table. Look at this clamp. It is heavy duty. It is nice and will be able to stay on there strong without wobbling around or causing problems. Here is the light itself. As you can see, this ring light is large. It is great to just give you that big surface light. That way, everything is lit up. You look really good. There's no weird shadowing or anything. You're not just staring at this teeny little ring light. This one's big. It gets you lit up good and your space around you. So that's great if you're doing YouTube videos or anything like that. This ring light can be as low as 13.5, but can go up to 22.7 inches. So you will have a good range of height to go to. So now I have it on me so you can see how it affects your face and skin tones. So we'll go through the 3 different colors. Okay, and then you can adjust the brightness. And get it exactly how you want for your shot. And whatever video you are doing, this ring light is going to work good for you and get you set up to look the way you want.